introduction. This project here is sort of an example of our work on a broader scale. We work on projects from micro scale to urban change. We're very interested how to move from an abstract notion of sustainability where we sort of can't relate to, we don't even really know what that word means because it's used for so many different things, to a way where we can actually experience this cycle of nature with our own bodies, and where we actually experience if the air is clean, if the water is clean, if the plants are nourishing us. Now this project is an example in a way as it's sort of micro-scale ecological environment in a pocket within this very big construction site in London. And this is also where our concept, where the idea came about, that we wanted something which is juxtaposed of this very highly regulated site around, where everybody's sort of geared up with helmets and side jackets in bright yellow. And here, kind of opposite, where you're actually more contemplative, you strip down all your layers and you swim and you sort of observe what's going on around you, and you open up your senses to see the city in becoming around you.
No, I mean, well,
well, okay. Well, as you can see here already, you don't see the water, which is a way part of this sort of drama of having a sort of stage set. So when you walk around, you see the plants, you see some sort of elements which are sticking out and hinting on the fact that this is a pool, but it's really meant to be swum in a way that you are on a stage. So the fence around is just at the same level as the water level, so when you swim you can really enjoy this view to the BT Tower in the south. And this is a stage also where you we start to think about the notion of the Anthropocene. So as you might have heard, the Anthropocene is the geological age which we're living in, which is where the human being can actually has so much impact on the environment. We can sort of make or break it, and we have to find and use mechanisms which are in nature to sort of live in balance with nature. So we have to bring nature within our very cultivated environment of the city, and this is a place here where we can really enjoy this and sort of build a community.
Yeah, and I would like to add that this is this notion of club that we mean. Like when you come to the Pond Club, it's like you become part of this micro environment. And anybody can be part of the club. You just need to come in, and then suddenly you are part of it because you swim in the waters, you kind of appreciate the plants, and you develop an awareness. So it's like some sort of the notion of art in use, or kind of relational objects which you establish with the piece.
Yeah, so club is really about the notion of establishing a contract with nature in a way, and the most difficult thing about thinking about how to live in a sustainable city is to change our behavior. So to actually become from just consuming things to more actively thinking about the whole let's say balance of it. So here we have a maximum number of swimmers per day, and this is a ratio which is calculated with the body of water, with the whole volume of water. And so this is, we have to sort of, we should shower before we go in, because especially when we wear sun cream, that is really difficult for the plants to deal with. And yeah, I think we can go up now and see and talk about the filtering process.